Can I tell you something that changed the way I see the internet? The internet is not just for entertainment anymore. It is becoming the biggest opportunity platform in the world. A few years ago, if you wanted an opportunity, you have to know somebody, or possibly you wait for a company to come to your school, or probably you check the newspaper for job openings. But today, just one post can change your life. One video can bring you many opportunities. One tweet can get you hired. Even one video self can still bring clients. One LinkedIn post can connect you with someone in another country, and that's the world we are living right now. So here's what surprised me the most is that a lot of people are online every day without actually being present. They scroll, they laugh, they comment, and then they go out, and that will be around hours later. Then they come back the next day and repeat the same thing. Meanwhile, someone else is using that same internet to learn a skill, build their personal brand, meet amazing people, share their knowledge, and also create opportunities for themselves. That same internet, but different mindset. And that is why I've stopped asking, how much time do I spend online? No. What I'm asking now is, what am I leaving behind every time I log in? Every time I come into Facebook, anytime I come in on socials, what am I leaving behind? Because one day, someone might search your name, but what would they find? Is it just random comments or a proof that you are building something valuable or you have something valuable to offer? So don't just consume the internet, contribute to it. You never know who is watching. No? You can never tell. And the worst part is that you can never know which post will open the door for you. So here's a quick question I would like to ask. What is that one opportunity that the internet has given you? Is it a job? Is it a friend? Is it a skill, or is it a client? I genuinely love to hear from you. Bye.